Have you ever wished you could feel the taste of cheeseburgers and still stick to your diet? This soup gives you all the flavor: melty cheese, juicy meat, crispy pork rinds, with none of the junk. Most carnivore meals get boring fast. This one doesn't. Once you taste this, you'll wonder why you didn't try it sooner. For 2 servings, you will need 500 grams of ground beef, 250 milliliters of heavy cream, 100 grams of cream cheese, which is half of the pack, 100 grams of shredded cheese, cheddar works perfectly, and a handful of pork rinds. There are also some optional things you can add that I will mention throughout this video. Full list of ingredients will be in the description. Start by adding a bit of butter to your pot. Totally optional, but it adds extra fat and flavor. Once it melts, add your ground beef and cook over medium heat until browned and broken up. This is your cheesy, beefy base, so take your time and get a good sizzle going. Once the beef is cooked, stir in the cream cheese. Let it melt down and mix in fully. Then add the shredded cheese. Stir until smooth and creamy. It should already start to smell like a cheeseburger. Pour in your heavy cream and bring it to a gentle simmer. If you want a thinner soup, you can add about 100 milliliters or half a cup of water, or better yet, homemade beef bone broth. Just don't use any store-bought bone broths. Most of them aren't carnivore friendly and are full of added junk. Let me know down in the comments if you want my bone broth recipe. I'll happily share it. If you are aiming for a thicker soup, smash up some pork rinds and stir them in now. They'll soak up the liquid and add extra body to the soup. The version I'm making currently is great for summer when you want something a little lighter. In winter, skip the water and keep it rich and creamy. Let it simmer gently for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until slightly thickened. Then add salt to taste and any bacon bits if you want that extra hit of smoky crunch. While the soup simmers, grab your pork rinds, place them on a cutting board and smash them with the side of your knife. These are going on top for texture and crunch. Now we are ready to serve and enjoy. Just pour the soup in a bowl and top with your pork rind croutons. Optionally, add extra shredded cheese on top. Serve immediately. This one hits hard. And that's how I meet my cravings, every time. Don't forget to meet me back here next time on Meat Carnivore. Hit that subscribe button and let's keep things healthy, juicy and real.